Good morning, April 15th. What are we going to talk about today? Well, we're going to talk about, of course, the company, and we're going to talk about a little bit about what I do with my website. But first, let's talk about the company. MRIB Brands, ticker symbol MRIB. That's Mike Romeo India Bravo. This company is a liquor company. They make a very unique brand of vodka. This vodka is an Armenian vodka that's processed in an old Armenian processing system, I guess. I'm not a liquor guy, but I've been watching this company for a while. I got introduced to it by a good investor buddy of mine who's in his own right pretty good investor. Anyway, he's not hurting, put it that way. MRIB Brands. Yeah, they got into some bad stuff back in the 2007 and 8, right before the big crash, and their company went down. But it went down because of management reasons, not because of the fact that this 1,000-whatever-year-old vodka was bad. Anyway, it's a family-owned business, and they've been doing all the right things to bring it back online. And recently, they're beginning to distribute again after a year and a half of trying to get everything, working, putting together a process, hiring people, getting rid of debt. They're doing it all, and they're doing it all the right way. And I think, and nobody's talking about them except those that's invested in them. Yeah. So, MRIB, I think you're going to be seeing their vodkas on the shelves very soon. And if you do, and you heard this, get in. This is the bottom floor still for this company. I believe they will definitely break out of the pennies and probably get into the dollar bills. And by that time, it's like you don't want to be a shoulda, woulda, wish I coulda when you can do it right now. And on top of that, I wanted to talk about what PennyStocksToWatchToday.com is about. I know people might think we're a day trading service. We're not. Just like I told you about MRIB today. I like to research companies that you can follow, but in a way, we're trading in and out of these companies as they move up, as they put out PR and different types of news and revenue. So if they're gonna spike, which they are, we want in on that. And it's simple as getting a text: buy and sell, buy MRIB, sell MRIB. So I have that for all my subscribers, and like I said, it's not day trading. So it's not like you have to be on your phone 24/7. It could be a week, it could be 2 weeks, it could be a month later you're going to get something for whatever particular company you decide to invest in. I mean, if it's not your company, you may get other texts, hey, I'm looking at a lot of different companies. There's 6,000 penny stock companies out there, and I'm usually playing with around 20 to 30 at a time, adding and dropping. I try not to go too much after that. My preference, of course, is probably 6 to 12, just to so you could get a really good understanding and feel for the market for whatever they're selling or doing. But anyway, so that's what penny stocks is about. It's about giving you the opportunity to be able to trade in the penny stocks market without having to do all the research. Anyway, I hope that if you're interested in this, and this is not the first time you listened, that you log on to the website, give me a like, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. You guys have a good Tuesday.